I'm getting ready for Huntsville, and I'm doing it different. We're roughing it. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, A4WX. Here we are, 2 weeks out from the Huntsville Hamfest, and I'm doing something a little different. I wanted to join my comrades up on the mountain, Monte Sano, this year for Huntsville Hamfest. You know, we'll be up there with Ham Radio 2.0 and Cade, MRD, and Tank, and all the good old folks, K5YVY. So we're looking forward to that, but I don't own a camper. I can't afford it just yet. Hopefully, Super Chats, your purchases with my affiliate links and subscribers and all that good stuff will continue to rise, and we'll be able to do that eventually, but I had to do it on a budget this year. So I've made some purchases throughout the year, getting ready to rough it for the first time in about 20 years. I've not done this as an adult, but I think I've got most of my stuff together now. So let me show y'all what I'm doing. All right, so here's item number one. This is I guess theoretically you could get two people in this, but this is the tent I've purchased. Got it off Amazon, really good price. Super easy to set up. It basically just pops together. You don't even have to really assemble. Underneath this little cover here, you can see there's a little mechanism there. All this stays together and you just pop it in. So super easy. Got windows on each side and then the door in the front there. So super easy to put together. Very pleased with it. Going to do me just fine. Today at Walmart, I purchased this cot. Keep me off the ground, you know, maybe have a reasonable back to lay on and not hurt my back. And then I purchased a sleeping bag at Walmart tonight, or for the night too. So nothing too fancy, you know, just enough to sleep, be comfortable, and that kind of thing. I intend on, I do have electric at the campground, so I intend on probably bringing a fan or so and probably some lights to stay illuminated. So this is it, guys. So we're looking forward to the Huntsville Hamfest, and we're taking y'all along. As part of the 1 year anniversary, and it's actually the final stop on the HamShackTV Hamfest tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Guys, I can't say enough about Ham Radio Prep. Ham Radio Prep just launched a brand new course about satellites. Go check it out. HamRadioPrep.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV. Get 10% off their already great prices. Also, World Radio League, can't say enough about it. There's no purchase necessary whatsoever with World Radio League. You can get a free membership right now. Just go to World Radio League, sign up for an account. However, there are some great, cool features that come along with the paid memberships. And the great thing is, if you're so inclined to do that, maybe you want to import your QRZ log or logbook of the world for that matter, you can do that with World Radio League. Those do take the paid memberships, so go check them out, worldradioleague.com. And if you use my coupon code HamShackTV10, you'll get 10% off your membership to World Radio League. So go check them out. Can't thank those guys enough. It's been a great year of support from them, and I look forward to continuing to work with Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League in the future. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. 73s. AA4WX, WSEB 693.